Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot. Forex is always goes straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. What's really happening? We are on that economic calendar, but there is nothing much, guys. There is nothing much. If you checked today, there is nothing. It's Tuesday. So what we're gonna have is gonna be PMIs from Wednesday. And that is going to be mostly a lot of events from Europe, Canada, GBP and US, but from Canada, it's actually interest rates, and it seems like they're gonna cut the rates. So this, I think, it's now showing us the road that you know what, the rates cuts are actually coming. Then on Friday we also have a very nice one, which is core PCE, quite similar to CPI on the US side. But what's happening? On our side, we can easily see that, you know what, the market is actually reversing. The market is actually trying to reset itself. And when we check nicely, the market is not really moving that much. Yes, last week things were just moving aggressively, selling. But now it's like the market is just trying to find its way before creating any crazy move. Do you see that? So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And we always have a special, guys. We have a 50% special. You can see there, just scan that QR code or talk to me while we still trying to finish up with our website. So you can just talk to me there. So for those who want mentorship, guys, it's now $150 coming from $350. So if you want more information, just let me know. So on dollar index, we can easily see that, you know what, yes, the overall structure is not really confusing, as we can see that, yes, we are coming from this nice uptrend. So we are coming from this nice uptrend, and the market is still struggling to get out of this uptrend. We also had a very nice horizontal structure there, just to show us that, you know what, guys, we need to break this before we go down. The market did break out of that, but we see that the market did not really go through and change everything there. So we were expecting to see a continuation of that sell. Maybe it will happen maybe next week, because we're going to have interest rates. As we know, they said they're not going to cut the rates. They will cut around September. That is also okay, because now we know where the market will be going. I like the fact that, yes, the market tried to recover, but it did not really continued to go to the upside. So which means, yeah, the bearish momentum, it is still actually there. The dollar is still a little bit lower, but if it continues, it means USD will be trying to gain some momentum. USD will be trying to gain some momentum. And yeah, this is what we see here. On USD JPY, the overall structure, it was a very nice uptrend. Do you see that? It was very clean, but we had a breakout. So which means now we'll be expecting a continuation of that sell. If we go closer there, you will see that the market just broke out. And yesterday we said, you know what, let's wait for the market to see if maybe it retest around that breakout. Yes, the market did that. We can see that, oh, the market broke out of this structure here. Now the market is creating this resistance support structure, which is going to be ranging. So for us to be safe is to sell below this support area. Why? Because there is a chance that the market can just consolidate here and still continue going higher, reversing from this breakout. And if you just jump in, it means you will end up taking a loss. I hope that makes sense, right? So yes, this is what we see. Let's wait for a breakout here, then we can say it's time for us to look for those sell positions. Yes, already this is a breakout. It's already telling us about selling, but we don't really have to rush that. Let's wait for this structure to complete, because now we have this area where the market reversed. What if it reverses here also? Do you see that? So yeah, let's wait for this to mature until we look for that sell, as we expect to sell as the market broke out. But anything can still happen. That's why we need to be extra careful. Now we are on USD. So not USD, GBP USD. What's happening on GBP USD? I think it's quite straightforward structure. We can easily see that, you know what, the market is showing us that, yeah, it's actually coming from a very nice downtrend structure. Now we expect to see the market doing what? Going higher. Yes, the market did consolidate for quite some time around that level, but we see the breakout. So this should tell you that, you know what? We expect a continuation of a buy after we saw that breakout. So something like this along the way is going to happen. Yes, this was a very nice breakout there. So now we expect to see a continuation of that bullish move. And around this area, you can see already the market is giving us a sign that, you know what, that is actually now our potential support area. So we're going to use that as a potential support. So now we're going to have something like this. So which means now we are just going to concentrate around this level. Let's reduce that. So I think something like this can work very nice, but we can see that the market is being consolidating around that level. So we just need to be extra careful around. When I see consolidating, I'm talking about that area, because those are like 4 hours candlesticks, 2, 4, 6, more than 10 hours. So no, more than 10 4 hours candlesticks playing around the same level. So which means we might have a nice resistance there on a smaller time frame. And once we get the breakout, we can say, let's jump on that buy. Simple as that. Right? So yes, I'm expecting to see a nice bullish move there continuing. So I'm expecting to see a very nice buy. So I'm trying to be as quick as possible. And now gold is going higher. Okay, now gold is flying, guys. Gold is flying. We did have a pending order yesterday, but the market did play games. But it seems like the market is now going back there. Do you see that? So the overall structure here, it shows us that, you know what, guys? Yes, we are on this smaller nice uptrend, and we see that the market has been respecting this level. So now we expect to see the market doing what? Continuing with the trend, as we can see that that trend did touch this level several times. So we're expecting to see a nice buy. Plus, this area, it was a previous resistance and also a support. Do you see that? We had this area there. Also, this area touched that, came back to respect that level, pushed up. We have several touches here. So now we expect to see the market going even higher. I hope that makes sense. So that's what I'm expecting. We're expecting to see a very nice bullish move, unless if the market decides otherwise. But at the moment, we can't argue with the structure. We just have to look for that buy. Since this it's very closer to be triggered, I will place my notification so that the market will this will actually notify me once the order is triggered. My pencil doesn't really want to touch this. Okay, it's fine. So now let's push the next one. If you are new to this channel, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. It's actually where you can learn so much stuff. Check my channel there. You will see, or you will find some videos that you can actually learn. You can subscribe to our premium membership here on YouTube, where you can learn 1 or 2 things, right? So now let's go on US30. What's really happening? US30 is still actually on that nice uptrend. We had this pending order since yesterday. We are actually on our entry, but you can see what, maybe you can see what I'm trying to show you here. The overall structure, it's already showing us that, you know what, guys, I'm going up on that. So which means we are on a very nice uptrend. I already drawn everything here, and you don't really have to change this every day, but we also have this area that we can call a support zone, right? This is our support zone. So which means I'm expecting to see a very nice bullish move from there. Even though the market yesterday was just consolidating. Yesterday, the market was just not moving anywhere. So that is a good sign, because it shows us that we are now done with that bearish momentum. Because if it was there, we were just going to see this continuation of a bearish move. You see, but it seems like the market is struggling to go down. Maybe the bearish or bullish momentum said, you know what, now it's enough. You've been selling for quite some time. Now it's time to reverse. And if that is the time to reverse, that's good, because we want that. We need to buy that. Already we have that pending order. I think even on our free signal group, it's there. Check my description. You will find my free signal group for those who want to be in my free signal group, just to see how we send the signals. Yeah, so Now we are on Nasdaq. US Tech. US 100. What's happening? Quite similar to US30 and also gold. The market has been on this nice bullish move for quite some time. We had this nice reversal, and which we actually appreciate, and we actually I think it was necessary. The market was just going even higher, and we had some very good news that there is a chance for the Federal Reserve to cut the rates next week. I think it's next week, né? I think we're gonna have next week we're gonna have FOMC meeting interest rates. So there is a chance that they will be cutting, but before that, I think the market will slowly try to go even higher. That's what I'm expecting. Yes, we had this aggressive sell, but where we are, we reached an area that we can call a support. I think a nice buy there, it can be a work actually in our favor. We had a nice buy pending order there, so the market is still playing games. We're not in a loss, but you can see that, yeah, a smaller profit here and there, but we expect to see the market going even higher. You see, if the market can reach like 2020 there, 2200 around this level, that will be fine. I think the profit will be much better. And I like the fact that we don't really have any crazy economic news this week. Sorry. So, but if maybe those news are going to be against the dollar, that will be way much better, because we will like that. So we also, for those who took S&P 500 in the group, it means they're also smashing. Guys, yesterday we had some most profitable trades, even though the market was just not really moving that much. But those few dollars that we made, or that we still holding, it's better than nothing. I hope that makes sense. So now on S&P, we can easily see that quite similar structure to what we have on Nasdaq. Very nice uptrend. As you know, they are positively correlating. So we have this nice bullish move. The market touched this area where it always does. You know, sometimes to analyze the market is quite simple, even though not everyone can do that. It's simple once you start to have that knowledge, because it's where the market mostly will show you that I'm repeating to respect this area. So it means if you follow those type of structures, most likely you will be on the right side of the market, you see. So you don't really have to invent something new, but something that you can invent, or something that you can learn way too more. It's your mindset, trading psychology, you see. How to deal with these ups and downs. I hope that makes sense. So you should learn. That's why we have mentorship for $150. Let me know. Let me know for those who wants to be part of the team. And you can scan that QR code if you want my VIP signals. As I said, we have special. You can check that also on my free Telegram group. I also post some of the price list there. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So on S&P 500, you can see this was a very nice area. We had a buy pending order. The market triggered. So I'm still expecting to see the market going even higher, even though we are in that smaller profit, but it's better than nothing. I hope that makes sense. Let's see what's really happening on US oil. US oil has been like crazy selling. So, but the structure here, you can just jump in here. We can just wait for where the market reversed. What can we do from that area? What can we do from here? This is what we have. So the question is, are we going to have a continuation of this sell? Because we were expecting to see the market going higher, and now the market reversed. I think maybe it's after Biden once he gave up his rally, whatever. You know what I'm trying to talk. I'm trying to put out the weights, but they don't want to come out. So I think that also gives oil a chance to go lower. Why? We know that Trump actually is pushing the narrative to say, let's drill, which means they're gonna pump more oil. I agree, you know, guys, there is this green energy stuff, climate change and stuff. So Donald Trump doesn't buy that, so which means there will be more oil to be pumped, and that means oil can be quite cheaper. Do you see that? I hope you understand that. So yes, on oil, it seems like we will have that maybe. So, but we have to follow the structures. So now we can say we had an aggressive break out there on the seller, but we're not just going to continue just jumping on the seller when we were coming on this nice uptrend after we had this breakout. So which means we have to be extra careful. The market might come here, try to retest around this level before we can even try to sell. If the market does that, we can now jump on the market and just make sure that we eat. Simple as that. So anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.